Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I want to show you a card made with the new suite from Stampin Up, and this one is Heartfelt. And the bundle has this stamp set as well as these two punches, which I just love it because you can lay them up as you're going to be seeing. But the other thing is that on this suite, there are these gorgeous doilies, and as you can see it here. And they are really good, and you get 40 of those in 2 different colors, so you get 20 of each. But you have them in clear flamingo as well as real red, so these are perfect for like Valentine's. You can see here the other color and that one. And again, you get 40 of them, so you get a lot of them. And then also on this suite, the last thing I want to show to you is the design series paper. And the design series paper is called From My Heart, a Specialty Design Series paper. And one thing that I want to show to you, because that the catalog usually never makes justice to these papers, is that it has foil. So several of the sheets on this design series paper has foil, and it is in both in clear flamingo or real red. So overall, I love this suite. I think it's going to be great for Valentine's. And so let's get it started. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the card and dimensions. So you can see very simple things that we're going to be using. Crumb cake is our card base. And so this one is going to be 8.5 by 5.5. And as usual, we're going to be folding it in half. So let me just do point to point here. Use your bone folder to have a crisp fold. And this card is going to be laid out this way. The next thing I have here is a piece of that design series paper, and this one is a square of 3 1/4. So 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. I've also had already die cut this scallop edge, and this one is out of the seasonal layers thinlits, as you can see it here. Now, one thing that you need to know is that when you are die cutting this this type of dies, you want to make sure you're putting them on your big shot like so, rather than that like this. And the reason is that you put even pressure throughout the whole die cutting process, and so it cuts perfectly every single time. So I have done already that, and this strip is also 3 1/4, as you can see. And so I'm gonna be putting those two together. So let me go ahead and do that before I continue this section. Where is my, yeah, here. We're gonna be using adhesive. One thing to note, just because I just thought about it like right this second, is that with the design series paper that has direction, like in this card, and like in this case, the hearts are lined up this way. You want to pay attention where you're putting the adhesive, okay? Also, if you're putting, you could also go that way. So make sure you have the direction of your paper as you want it. This one is going to go like so, so I am okay with that. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. Well, let's just think about this for a second. Yes, I do, because then I want to put, yes, let's just go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down the whole thing. And you know, man, I always change the layout, so that's why I was a little bit hesitant for a second, because I thought, well, maybe I want to change it a little bit. So we're going to put it like so. Alrighty. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay our first heart, and this is, again, one of those doilies. And I'm just loving it. I mean, it's just making my card making so easy, and they just look amazing. So anyway, so we have this heart, and then I had already pre-punched with this one in Fluted Flamingo, and then I'm gonna go ahead and punch another one. Let me just show you one other of the sheets. So this one, for instance. No, I don't want to be using that one. So let me just show you. So you could be punching out this one. Let's just see that. And in fact, I'm not going to be using this one because I want to use the other one. So you could be punching out all the hearts on these. And again, it has that foil. And you will end up having a piece like that, which I like. But because I have all these hearts, it kind of is busy. So I want to use this one. Let me just show you. I want to use this one instead. And I'm going to be using the Flitter Flamingo. And you can see how beautiful it is. It has all that foil in the edge. And we're going to be using also this heart. So you could be, with this one, you could be just punching out all those beautiful hearts you can see there. And don't you love it? I mean, it just looks fantastic. Now, because I have that one, I was going to be putting my sentiment in white. But because I'm using that color, I changed my mind, right? I'm going to go ahead and bring a Flitter Flamingo. I think Flitter Flamingo will go really nice. Or Real Red. Actually, Real Red. I think Real Red might be better. Just to bring back. Yeah, I think Real Red will look really cute. So we're going to bring our primer. I just need a piece of Real Red. And, oh my goodness. Let's just go ahead and put, I want to go ahead. Again, the length doesn't matter. I just need a strip. So we're just going to go ahead and I want to do 1/2 inch. There we go. So I'm going to be using that one. Yes, this will bring everything up. Yes. So now from our sentiments, out of the Heartfelt stamp sets, I'm going to be using this one. I think this one goes really well for all our friendships. And I'm going to be bringing my ink. Now, I want to use Real Red, but Real Red really stains a lot the photopolymer. So I tend to use a light color before inking in Real Red, especially for photopolymer. So I'm using Flitter Flamingo. Then I'm going to put the Real Red. And I'm going to be Stampin' Up right in the center. And if this color doesn't show, then I can try to do it with basic black. I think basic black will be great. No, I think it looks great. I actually love it that way. So we're going to just close our ink, so I don't want any messes there. And I'm going to go ahead and put dimensionals on this one. So this one will have lots of dimensionals. Because I think that my sentiment will as well be on dimensionals. I think that it will look really nice. And then I'll be doing the edges on this one. And you know me, I love the Tailor Tack Punch. So I love how easy I can make those banner edges. So definitely that's one of my favorites nowadays. And this one will go right there. Lovely. Actually, I don't think I like it raised. I think I like it that way. So I'm going to be putting down glue dots instead. I think I love how it looks. So let's just put, I could have put also snail, but I think that the glue dot will go really well. All right, and then just to finalize this card, just to finish this card, I should say, we're gonna go ahead and do a bow, and I'm using also a new ribbon that is called, what is this called? Double stitch satin ribbon, and this is in Real Red, and it goes also really well with this suite. So I'm telling you, there are so many new products that you're gonna have on this collection that you're not gonna believe it. But I want to focus on something easy for you, because I know that during this time frame, you're going to be doing all your Valentines, right? I mean, that's what I think. No, I'm going to leave it that way. And this one will go right there here. Perfect. So we're going to glue this one down with a glue dot and be done with this. How about that? So anyway, if you like this video, here is the final one. If you like this video, I'm going to be linking to my next card class to go, which is one to make 6 more cards out of this suite. that I think are going to be perfect for all your friends, so you can have all your Valentine's cards ready before February is here. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you there. Also, make sure you're on my mailing list. I'm also going to be linking the information to sign up for my email list so that you get more information about the classes. I usually send registrations links on that, and the PDF will also be available. So if you're interested in the PDF for the class, you can sign up, or you can get it at my PDF store on my blog at creatingwithali.com. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.